The primary goal in using social media is to drive engagement with your agent, team, brand, and listings. You'll want to understand some SEO or search engine optimization techniques to get the most out of your social media efforts. One way to do this is using keywords. Keywords are basically words that your clients or potential clients might be searching for. Posts that have words such as new property and a specific neighborhood will surface when someone is searching for a new property in that neighborhood. You'll want to integrate any relevant search terms you can think of into the engaging content of your posts. Hashtags are essentially searchable keywords. Preceded by a hashtag, they are common words that house hunters are bound to be looking for, such as hashtag agent, hashtag property, hashtag for sale, and more. Hashtags are only recognized as one word, so even if your search term is two words, such as for sale, write it as one. You can also use hashtags to identify your company.